Good afternoon, class 6th. So I have explained you this lesson, where science taking us. We have completed with this and we have discussed the question answers also. Now we are going to do the vocabulary as well as the question answers. First of all, we'll start with the vocabulary part. So today is 14th, Monday. Unit 5, Section 2, where science taking us. Now some extra vocabulary words which I found it difficult for you. You may write. Conquest is to defeat somebody. Ultimate is immediate or the final. Material things. That is physical possessions. Emphasized is highlighted. Stronghold means fortress or the castle. Consequences, results or the outcomes. Abnormal, uncommon or untypical. Crammed, it is world crammed full of means too full, पूरी तरह से भरा पड़ा होना, जैसे जैसे कहते हैं. Apparent, it is seems to be real. Worthwhile, is enjoyable. Sorry, यहाँ y आएगा. Write it again. Enjoyable, enjoyable or useful. Enriched, improvement. Anxiously means nervously. Miracle is the mystery or the prodigy. Intellectual is person's thinking level. sufficient, enough, or adequate. So these are 15 extra word meanings which I found difficult for you, so I have found it for you. Write all these word meanings and learn them. Now we come to the question answer part. Answer number 1. What is the answer of the author to the question, what is science doing with regard to non-material things? Yes. The answer to the author's question what is science doing with regard to non-material things is less than nothing. So what is science doing with regard to non-material thing is less than nothing, because if we say nothing at all, that would be bad enough. So the answer is less than nothing. What the science is doing for non-material thing, it is less than nothing. Answer number 2. Do you agree with the statement, in the busiest countries, each individual has 600 slaves in his machines? Yes, I fully agree that in the busiest countries, each individual has 600 slaves in his machines because we are living in the age of machines, and today machines are everywhere. in the field, everywhere. Machines are everywhere. So, man has become slaves in the hands of man has become the slaves in the hands of science and technology. So we have become the slaves in the hands of science and technology. We don't need to do anything. We are forced. We are but a machine animated by forces over which we has no control. So yes, I fully agree that in the busiest countries, each individual has 600 slaves in his machines, because we are living in the age of machines and today machines are everywhere. So man has become slaves in the hands of science and technology. What would have been one of the greatest triumphs of the science? One of the greatest triumphs of science would have been to provide food and clothing and shelter. Food, clothing, and shelter for the teeming population of the world. Every man, woman, and child. So it would have been the greatest triumph if the science would have provided food, clothing, and shelter for the teeming population of the world, every man, woman, and child. अगर ऐसा हो जाता तो वो साइंस का सबसे बड़ा ट्रायम्फ होता, मीन्स सबसे बड़ा कॉन्क्वेस्ट होता. Today the upper age group is overcrowded. Why?
हैंडल इतना हेवी क्यों बना रहा है?
Today the upper age group is overcrowded because almost everywhere, every year, some modern drug adds a little more to the average span of life. So in United States,
इसमें कहाँ से तुम इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग में फिर स्लाइडर चलाओगे, अंडा कटा रहा है.
there are already 9 million people over the age of 60. So that is why the upper age is overcrowded, because every year some modern drug adds a little more to the average span of life. So in United States there are already 9 million people over the age of 60. Now we come to answer number 5. Which are the non-material things where science has been helpless? Charity, tolerance, and forbearance. And the understanding of one another are non-material matters. And in non-material matters, in the simplest social things, social things, science has been helpless. Clear? So these are the non-material things: charity, tolerance, forbearance. Charity means दूसरों की हेल्प करना, generous रहना. Tolerance एक दूसरे की गलतियों को हम कई बार टॉलरेट करते हैं. Forbearance हम एक दूसरे के साथ sympathetic रहें. And the understanding of one another are non-material things. ठीक है ना, ये non-material things हैं. So in non-material things, in the simplest social things, science has been helpless. यहाँ पर आकर science helpless हो जाती है. ये इस मामलों में, इन values में, ethics में science कुछ नहीं कर सकती. So with this we have completed the question answer part and the vocabulary. Now we come to the book exercise. And the book exercise part. Tick the correct option. According to science, this is the age of machines. What is uncontrollable for science? It is consequences. Which machine has 10 times more power? Petrol machine. So rewrite the following sentences in going form, present continuous tense, with the help of the verbs given in the brackets. Science take us from bad to worse. Science is going to take us. हमने take को बना देना है present continuous tense में. So how it will work? America drop a bomb on Iraq. So now we are going to change the drop in going to drop. America is going to drop a bomb on Iraq. A bomb on Iraq. Clear? They are going to make a lot of money in the arms deal. Pollution is causing is causing acid rain all over the world. The Third World War is going to destroy the world. Human race is going to disappear. From the earth in future. So we have completed this also. Bache, I am telling you again and again, complete your written part. We can come anytime to your home to check your notebooks, and I am going to call your parents also that you are not sending the notebooks to me for checking. So it's better you complete your written work. I am sending each and everything. I have sent all the question answers, all the grammar part. I am doing it all for you. And now it is your duty to send your written work for checking online in a PDF form. Only PDF form. Word power. Write the opposite. Material. Non-material. Creative.